morning, students. Welcome back to Sandy Pani Educational Academy. So, today we are going to learn social studies remaining chapter of our occupations. Now, the next is services. Produce goods are transport from factories to the wholesale market. जो हमने फैक्ट्रीज़ में हमने देखा था ना, इधर फैक्ट्रीज़ में प्रोडक्ट हो गए थे, वो फैक्ट्रीज से हम लोग ने प्रोडक्ट ट्रांसफ़र होलसेल मार्केट्स में किया जाता है, जो कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सर्विस लाइक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम, जो कि टेरिटरी और सर्विस सेक्टर में होता है. एग्जाम्पल में आफ्टर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लोथ्स ऑफ कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज, क्लोथ्स आर सेग्रेटेड एंड पैक्ड इन डिफरेंट बॉक्सेस. जैसे क्लोथ बन गए ना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज में, कॉटन टेक्सटाइल में, फिर वो क्लोथ्स को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बॉक्स में सेग्रेटेड किया जाता है. फिर इसको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में भेजा जाता है कंट्री के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मोड्स के थ्रू, लाइक एयर मोड, वाटर मोड, रोड मोड, वैसे सब. The people engaged in packing and transportation are packers, shipping clerk, dock workers and drivers. अब इन सब चीज़ों में जो काम करते हैं ना, पैक करना, स्टेट्स में भेजना, दैट आर द पीपल who are engaged. So they are known as packers, जो पैक करते हैं, shipping clerks जो shipping करते हैं, dock workers, drivers and warehousing staffs. Okay. So next is tourism. Tourism falls under tertiary sector. Tourism has emerged as an important occupation, particularly in India in recent years. Professions like tour guides, tour operators, travel agents, hotel managers, and chefs are associated with tourism. टूरिज़्म वो टर्शरी सेक्टर्स में आता है. टूरिज़्म आजकल इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑक्यूपेशन हो गया, और रिसेंट ईयर्स में तो इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा ये ऑक्यूपेशन हो गया है. और फिर प्रोफेशंस जैसे कि टूर गाइड्स, टूर ऑपरेटर्स, ट्रैवल एजेंट्स और होटल मैनेजर वगैरह, ये सब ये टूरिज़्म में आते हैं. Now let's revise. We have ended the chapter, so let's revise. So working to earn money is called occupation. काम करना पैसे कमाने के लिए, that is known as occupation. Different kinds of occupation we have studied in our society. These fall under primary, secondary and tertiary sectors that are found in India. The sectors that directly depend on natural resources are called primary sectors. The sector that use natural resources to manufacture them into a new product is called secondary sector. And the sector which provide the services to the people are known as tertiary sectors. So agriculture, mining, fishing, dairy product are important occupation. Then they are interrelated. Primary, secondary, tertiary occupations are interrelated and interdependent on each other. New vocab. माइनिंग मतलब डिगिंग आउट ऑफ मटेरियल. इंस्टीट्यूशन मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर एजुकेशनल, प्रोफेशनल, रिलीजियस. एस्ट्रोनॉट हु ट्रेन टू ट्रेवल इन टू स्पेस. होलसेल मार्केट आर द मार्केट विच प्रोड्यूस अ लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ सोल्ड और लार्ज क्वांटिटी. एक्सपोर्ट मतलब सेलिंग गुड्स टू अदर कंट्रीज. एंड फैक्ट्रीज मतलब दे बिल्ड प्रोडक्ट द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन्स. Dash is a process of digging out materials, so mining. Dash is an example of profession. Astronaut. An example of a secondary occupation is engineering, and poultry farming refers to the rearing of hens and ducks. Fill in the blanks. Occupation that requires special education and training are called professions. Dash mining or agriculture is the main occupation in India, so agriculture. Fishing is commonly practiced in dash regions, so coastal. Dash are the states rich in minerals, so the answer is Jharkhand. One word, the person who sells fruit are the fruit sellers. Person who deliver letters are postman, and the person who clean the street in a locality is known as sweepers. Answer in brief, what is a profession? So page number 79. There are some occupations that require special education and training. These are called professions. Okay, so next is, where is fishing mainly practiced? So fishing is an important occupation in states along coast. Example, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then what is a primary sector? The sector that directly depends on natural resources of the environment is called primary sector. Example, agriculture, fishing, mining, grazing and forestry. So what are the some jobs that are related to the manufacturing sector in India. So we have read now. Factory workers, managers, seller, labor, etc. are the some professional in manufacturing. So now we have end up our chapter. So we have learned in this chapter that is what is an occupation, kinds of occupation, main occupation in India, primary, secondary, tertiary, and that the this, which falls under the which sectors they used to fall. Services we have read and we have completed our what did you learn and question answers also.